Are you ready? Attention!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just received the start signal for race number 14, Premier Open Thunderbolt League 1. League 1, Tim Daltrey, UDKL Female. League 2, Cement Forward First Class. League 3, Singapore National Thunderbolt Team. And League 5, we have Team Mada. 4 teams for League 1, Premier Open 500 meters Thunderbolt. If you can see now, Singapore national team is ahead of the rest of the pack at the moment, followed by the Connect Forward. In 1, we have Team Dolphin, in 2, Connect Forward, in 3, Singapore, and in 5, Mada. Still ahead now is the team from Singapore. Singapore national volleyball team, leading by almost about China at the moment, approaching the midway point of 250 meters now. Singapore national volleyball team is still ahead. Connect Forward coming from behind, very much over time with Singapore team. And they do it, so wait for the finish team. Oh, on the finish line. Still ahead at the moment is the Singapore national team. Look at the medal, look at the strike of the medal, look at Singapore national team. Singapore is number 3. Look at how they are hitting into the water. Look at the medal going into the water. Very fast, very deep. You can see that Singapore national team into the medal 100 meters now. Leading a lot of water now. Singapore national team. They number 3. Singapore national team followed by the Connect Forward. Connect Forward coming very, very much. Singapore national team in number 3. Connect Forward in number 2. In number 5, the Team Mada going for third place. Singapore last 3 meters now. Singapore national team approaching the finish. Followed by the Connect Forward first round. And we have Team Mada in lane 1 finishing third. And Team Dolphin in lane number 1 finishing fourth place. Ladies and gentlemen, that was League 20 Junior Open 500 meters Thunderbolt League 1.